Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're discussing how to track training progress in Monday.com, a vital tool for keeping everyone on the same page in your organization. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to create a board for your training program. Simply click on Add, select Board, and name it accordingly, such as Training Progress. This step is crucial because it's where all the tracking will take place. Now that we've done that, let's start adding the team members who are undergoing the training. Click on Add People and select the relevant individuals. The reason we do this is to ensure everyone's progress is visible and accounted for. Next up, we're going to set up the different training stages. Click on Add Column, then choose Status. Name the column Training Stages and insert stages like Not Started, In Progress, and Completed. This helps us because it allows us to see at a glance where each person is in their training. Now, let's add a timeline to visualize how long each training stage is expected to take. Click on Add Column again, then select Timeline. Label this as Training Timeline. This is vital to keep track of the training duration for each individual and ensure that everyone is progressing at the right pace. Once that's set up, remember to keep updating the board as people move through the training stages. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. When you move someone's status, the changes are reflected in real time, allowing for easy monitoring and instant updates. And that's it. You've now set up a training progress tracker in Monday.com. With this tool, you can easily monitor your team's progress, ensure everyone is moving at the right pace, and identify if someone needs extra help or resources. Remember, the key to successful training is consistent tracking and communication. Thanks for joining us today. Catch you in the next tutorial.